Hello guys, what's going on? Today we're going to talk about car parking multiplayer, and I'm going to show you step by step in this tutorial that how I managed to get this mod, which is going to blow your mind, guys. And I'm going to show you step by step that how I did it. If anyone is interested and wants to have it like me, just follow this tutorial until the end and you're gonna be able to get this mod same as me, guys. Of course, before you're gonna leave, you have to subscribe to this channel and this video if you like it, of course. So I'm just going to show you the game right now and the mod. I just need to mention to you that this mod, guys, is working for the both devices. I already tested my iPhone and also my Xiaomi, which is an Android device. And right now I'm going to show you the steps with my Xiaomi because I'm recording with my iPhone. But if you want me to make a tutorial for the iOS users with my iPhone, just let me know in the comments below. I'm going to do it for you guys without a problem, okay? As I mentioned before, the steps are the same. But for any kind of reason you have, I'm going to do it for you guys, the tutorial also for the iOS users, okay? So I'm just going to open the game real quick so you can see it by yourself what I'm talking about. And then I'm going to show you the steps that you need to follow in order to get it also. You look at this beast that I got it. Can you see this, guys? I have the Bugatti over here, and not only the Bugatti, I'm going to show you my garage right now. Check this out, guys. So I got the Bugatti. Check the other ones. All the supercars, guys. I have the McLaren. All right, I have G-Wagon. I have Rolls-Royce SUV, Rolls-Royce Cabrio, and so many other cars. Audi TT. We have Mercedes over here, S-Class. As you can see, I didn't have time to customize all of them, guys. Audi RS C6, but you're gonna get this mod menu, guys, which you're gonna have, as you can see, unlock the cars, free upgrade, unlimited gold, buy lights and gas, no damage, unlimited fuels, and so on. All right, so I'm just, for example, just to show you that everything works, I'm just going immediately to start a game. I just downloaded the game, guys, with this new mod, okay? So as you can see, I just want you to hear a bit the noise. It's really cool, yeah? So I'm not going to stay too much, guys, inside of the game so I don't make the video too big. Okay, so I'm just going immediately to show you what you have to do, okay? So all you need to do, guys, you just need to make sure you're gonna have good connection with Wi-Fi. So it will be good that if you get connected with Wi-Fi and mobile data at the same time, so the whole process doesn't interrupt because of internet connection, okay? So the whole thing can go smoothly. And then, guys, all you need to do for the both devices, iOS and Android, you just need to choose one of internet browsers you prefer. And I'm going to Google, and I'm going to show you what you have to search. You just need to go in the searching bar and search about this website over here. When you enter inside of it, you're gonna have different categories over here. Sorry, we are looking for a mod, so you can go past mod and scroll it to find out, or searching bar, write it down, car parking simulator. As you can see over here, you just need to press the blue button, and then you have the whole description over here, guys, about the game and what you have to do. And then all you need to do is just to press the blue sign of downloading. It will start the loading process of the mod. By the end of this process, you're gonna be able to install the mod and get the mod menu in the game, guys. So if to any one of you it happened that it might require an extra step by the end of this process, this is because the region where you are located, guys. So if it's going to happen, just make sure you're gonna make sure you complete that what is required. You're gonna be able to get this mod menu also, okay? So this is my video tour for today, guys. I hope it was helpful and useful, and before you leave, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you for watching, guys. Cheers.